Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy A20 and A20e. So first of all, we need next to the phone the pin, and the pin is part of the box. You will find it here down the cables. So here is the pin, you just have to remove it. So otherwise you could use also the edge of a paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And below that SIM tray there is a small hole in there, and with the edge of the pin or the paper clip you enter that hole, press a bit and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, the main SIM card you will enter here in the first position like this, so missing corner, and the contacts are below. And if you have a second SIM card, or if you want to add a second SIM card, you can put it here on the second place like this, also missing corner, and the contacts are also below. And what is very nice, if you want to extend the storage, you can do that with a micro SD card if you want. You put it like this, and as you can imagine, also the contacts are below. Okay. And then after you put the construction you want to have back into the phone like this, and it is inserted. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. It would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be a pleasure to see you again, and maybe until next time. Ciao.